Jumping straight in the tutorial, we're going to start off with our eyes. I'm going to use this Revoloution Cut Crease Canvas as my base, and it looks like this. It has a flat wand on it, like a brush, which I was surprised to see. It's supposed to be a dupe to the P. Louise makeup base, but that's what I'm using. I don't know how I feel about it. It creases a lot, which you'll see throughout the video, but I'm just going to blend that out with a damp beauty sponge. I'm gonna get my brows out of the way with the Colourpop brow gel. Yeah, brow gel. I'm just gonna brush it out. I am now team brows after base. It changed my life. Yeah, I get it now. So my favorite brush company, Royal Moda, sent me these new brushes in collaboration or in lieu of Pride Month. This is the new 7-piece rainbow brush kits, and it has some of my favorite brushes in this set. A lot of the brushes I'm very familiar with, and it's just in some pretty gorgeous colors. Like, it's all neon-y, poppy, and so pretty. 95% of my brushes are Royal Moda. They are affordable. They are great quality, okay? If you want to purchase brushes from Royal Atlantical, I do have a coupon code that you guys can use. I am going in with the Juvias Place Festival palette, one of my favorite palettes of all time. Like, I can't stop using this palette. You guys don't come for me about Juvia's Place and all the drama behind them. Like, I really don't care, really, to be honest. I'm just trying to do my damn eyeshadow makeup with the stuff that I paid my money for. Anyway, you guys can see how it creases up, and I had to blend that out again. So yeah, all you see me doing is stamping the color. I'm going in with another Royal Atlantical brush from, I think that's the Foxy collection, I don't know, and another Juvia's Place palette, which is the Zulu palette. I like those two palettes. I use all the time, like, oh my gosh. And then I'm going to take that yellow and I'm going to blend out the what you call that color, the first color I use from the other palette. I'm just going to use that and I'm blend it out, and you're going to see I'm not using a stamping method here. I'm actually blending out here. I love this brush. It's one of my favorite brushes from Royal Atlantical. Like, I love that whole collection. I think it's the Foxy collection. I'm not too sure. I'll link it down below in the description box, but it is my favorite brush set from them. Okay, so now what you see me doing is I'm fusing the two. I added more yellow and I'm fusing the two to create a blown out blended situation here, as you can see. So it's going to start to look orange. Now I'm going back in with the first color and I'm stamping that color back on. So with this process, it's a lot of repeating. You got to keep doing it to get the look that you want. So I'm going back in with the cut crease canvas thingy, and I'm using the actual brush to cut my crease. It did a fairly good job of the brush, to be honest with you. It did a fairly good job of cutting the crease. Next time, I think I am going to use my own brush too, just to get it a little, you know, sharper. Like my brush, I have a cut crease brush that's, you know, particular. But it did a really good job. It just took me a lot longer, as you can see. And look how blown out the fusion for the two is. I mean, it's such a pretty mix, such a pretty transition, and blown out really beautifully. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna set that once again because it does crease and you want to make sure you set it automatically. So I'm gonna blend it out with the beauty sponge, and then I'm going to go in with this flat shader brush right here from Moda, and I'm gonna go into that color right there. I don't know how to pronounce the names on these palettes, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's that gorgeous peachy color right there. Oh my goodness, like, I love that color. I've used that color a few times in a few different variations. So I'm using a pat in motion. I'm stamping it on. I'm not brushing and swishing, window shielding, none of that. I'm going into this yellow right here, which I love. It's one of my favorite yellows. Love it. And I'm going to do the inner part of my lid. Needless to say, all I did was flip the brush over. Next up, I'm going in with my liquid liner, and this is the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. One of the best on the market. Make sure you just say a prayer. Say a prayer before you do your liner and go in and wing it out, honey. You want it sharp. Looking back, I should have done my liner a little thicker, but I mean, it was real sexy though. It was sharp. It was hitting, it says, okay. I do want to take this moment out to say, make sure you check the description box for all of the product list details, as well as coupon codes and discount codes that I may have for you guys. And also, don't forget to follow me on my social media networks. And if you are enjoying the video thus far, do me a favor and thumbs me up. Right, we looking good. Heard you, looking right. I'm going in with these lashes. These lashes I got from my local beauty supply store, and I believe they're Eyelures, but I don't know what kind. I'm going in with my favorite Covergirl mascara. I will have it linked below. This mascara takes my bald eyelashed self, okay, because y'all know I'm bald eyelashed it, and it just gives me some hope, dreams in the future, hunty. Okay, y'all know I'm bald eyelashed it. All right. Pop these lashes on and keep it moving. Alright, so right now all I'm doing is cleaning up my dirty stick and face. Okay, cleaning it up. Any fallouts. Sharpening my wing and all of that stuff with a makeup light. And I'm going to go ahead and prime with the Fenty Primer, hunty. I have seen the light. I love this primer. Need another bottle. Because that bottle's about to be deaded. Clip for that bottle is over. Quiet for it. That's how much I use it. I love it. Then I'm going in with this Crease Fine and Prime Primer. If y'all don't get anything else I ever recommend, get that primer and use this combination. Because, hunty, the amount of people asking me what's on my face, baby girl, it is smooth. Okay? I'm going in with the Fenty Powder and Hazelnut. And I am only going to set my laugh lines and my nose, because my nose actually gets oily now, because it's summertime, it's hot, okay, nose get oily, and you know, laugh lines, set it so it don't crack or whatever. I'm going in with this NARS tinted moisturizer. It is a hydrating tinted moisturizer. Y'all already know I don't wear foundation. Alright, if you're new to my channel, what up? I'm your girl Brooklyn, and I don't wear foundation. Don't be annoyed. However, I beat my face like as if I wear foundation. Okay, mommy, that we here. And yeah, it's the perfect match. However, I know I am going to get darker over the course of the summer, so I need a darker shade. Going in with my Colourpop Concealer in the shade 48, and I'm going to further conceal any because you know, tinted moisturizer don't really it don't really cover. It just gives a even base, but it doesn't cover anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my sins and my impurities. Okay, hide. You know, that's my little confession in a bottle. These are my confessions. But I'm just spot concealing, okay, because I want to look awake, because y'all know these bags is crazy with my insomniac ass. Now I'm going to highlight, and this is in the shade 36, and I'm just gonna go ahead and brighten up my future, okay, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna bright up underneath the eyes and my T-zone areas. Yo, who am I today? I just don't know. I don't know. And I'm going in with the Ciate London. This is Ciate London. And yeah, I'm gonna mist my face, add some moisture to it, because you know I'm dry face. I'm dry face. Oh, yeah, no. Well, I'm a rapper today. Like, I don't know if you can tell from camera. From like, y'all, my face is smooth, okay? Smooth. Oh my goodness, my face be sitting, hunty. Yes. I'm gonna go in with some Derma Blend setting powder, and I'm going to set my highlighted areas. And I'm just going to really bake it into the skin, because I don't bake because I have dry skin, but I'm going to really beat that powder into my face and let it blend and let my face and all the moisture just drink it up, and it is seamless. It's like, girl, you look good. Because you don't want to look dry under your face and stuff. You know, like, that's not cute. I'm taking the OG NYX No Filter finishing powder with the OG powder brush from Moda. Y'all, I'm telling you, I love this brush. I have it in like so many different colors. Y'all already know. All I use is Royal Atlantical brushes. Y'all know that. And I'm setting my face and I'm brushing that no filter powder. What that does, it just makes your skin looks like skin. It is the best finishing powder ever. It's amazing. I'm going in with my contour brush from Moda, of course, and I'm using this kit that I got from my Ipsy Glam box, and it's Malay or Malay or whatever it is, but baby, that bronzer in there and them highlighters, oh, it's hitting. It's hitting. It's a high recommendation coming from me. Like, oh, it's really good, really buttery, really soft, and really just, it's beautiful on the skin. Like, it's so beautiful. I've been on this bronzing kick lately. I don't even contour. I just use the bronzer as a contour, but like, oh my gosh, the way it makes my skin look, girl. Well, baby, boy, go get you some. I'm gonna cut it to give more of a chiseled look. You already know. Take a couple of pounds off the faces, you know. And when in doubt, buff it out. Alright, I know I'm annoying in this voiceover, but hopefully it was entertaining for you guys. Sorry if I'm so annoying, but I do love you all. I'm gonna do my brows, because like I said, I'm brows after the base is done now, hunty. Yes. I don't know, one day I tried it, and I just been doing it ever since. I just like how my brows look now. Like, they be looking, you know, I mean, they be looking cute. All right, I'm gonna stop being annoying. I know a lot of you gonna come after me like, girl, you so annoying, you talk too much. I missed y'all. I mean, y'all love me, I love y'all. All right. I'm gonna use this angle brow brush to clean it up, and I really do like that brush. It was the first time I'm using it. However, I have it in a few colors. Like, oh. Come on, look at that brow. It look good. I'm taking this Colourpop color liner. I'll leave the color down below in the description box for you guys, and I'm just adding a pop of blue to this look. Wait, that's not, wasn't big enough. That pop was a bit. There we go. When I tell you it brought this look to a whole nother level. Yes, I really like it. It's so nice and creamy. But what I will say is they don't all have the same consistency. Going back into the palette, I'm going into that little corally punchy color right there, and I'm just gonna buff out the lower lash line right underneath the waterline where I did the blue so it could pop even more. Yo, I have come such a long way with doing eyeshadow. Yo, your sis been beasting lately. She been going off. Okay, go off, sis. Going in with my Jlarue pigment and my makeup shader and Colourpop collaboration. I'm gonna take another small Royal Atlantical motor brush. And I'm going to put a little something in my inner corner of my tear duct. Yes. That white gold from Jlarue Cosmetics is an OG cult favorite. It will never not be amazing. Like, it's just amazing. I highly suggest it. Going in with my favorite highlighting brush, and now I have it in a cute green color. I have the highlighting brush in like 4 or 5 colors, no lie. I use it in every damn tutorial. I'm gonna use the highlighter in this Malay or Malay kit right here, whatever I'm using. I'm gonna leave it down below, and I'm just gonna bling up the face now, you know, make the face look like a little ornament, and you know, like a glazed donut. You already know, you done know we highlighting. I haven't been highlighting in for a while, but honey, I'm back. All right, so I couldn't decide the lippy that I wanted to use. I went with Kat Von D. I will leave the name down below, and then I go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills in the center, and just do a nice little cute little mauvey nudie lip. Alright, y'all, that's it. That is the whole entire look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs me up. Follow me on my social media networks and leave me some comments down below. Yo, sound off in the comment section, gang. What up? I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.